welcome to my channel, and today we'll be doing this tutorial. It is a 3 eyeshadow tutorial and it's easy. It probably only takes 10 minutes to do this eyeshadow if you already know the colors you're going to use. If you're going to a party, you're in a rush, you're going out and you want to look glam, you can do this eye look. I use 2 eyeshadows and my Amuse highlighter in the inner corner, and let's get started with this video. So today's palette will be my Beauty Vault palette again from Beauty Tree, and today I'll be using the color burgundy at the end, then plum, then I'm going to use my Amuse highlighter for the inner corner, and for under the eyes I'll be using bubble gum. So I'm not going to make the other eyeshadow brighter. I'm going to use my little Pro concealer in Flat White corrector. And the best thing to use as an eyeshadow is to make the colors pop. Back. Now we're gonna blend out the white corrector with a flat brush. Now we're gonna go in with plum, which is the shimmer shade. My Amuse touch of gold highlighter. This is Amuse Cosmetics. It says Amuse Cosmetics on the front, and calls it Amuse, and this is the highlighter. Now I'm gonna use some of that bubble gum, that thing, under the lash line. Cosmetics eyeliner, the liquid eyeliner.
That was on fleet, bitch ain't talking about heat. Put it on, screw, straight up, screw, straight up, screw, straight up, screw to a penthouse, straight up, street to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Yeah, yo, niggas talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to defeat. They don't want it. I peek, these niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Get the what, put it up for my seeds. No cure for the IG disease. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. Bitch, watch your mouth. Bitch, stay in your place. Bitch, get out the way. My bitch on your ass, Kim K. No disrespect. disrespect. The nigga be trippin', but we love, yeah. Swapping out cars with my bitch. I bought her the Lambo, she bought me the Wraith. Swap it. Practice make perfect. Nigga, it's never too late. Never. I see the out of the snake. I take the soul out the snake. Then I see the bills up out of the bank. The blog and the media fake. Shout it DM me, I'm straight. I'm not gon' bite on the bait. Sippin' no toxic waste. On the low with your bitch and it's great. Mask on the face, Jason. Brunch and that's how we in shape. If I go broke, she gon' leave, escape. I put 2 mil in the safe, just in case. Don't go my way. No cap, my kids gotta have money, not just me. It's selfish. Ooh, I take the crown off the king like Mike did Elvis. Ooh, I took it. Ooh, the world is wild, he dying, no lie, that don't help him. Ooh, your bitch wanna eat up the drip and you cannot help it. Straight up the street to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Yeah, yo. Niggas talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to defeat. They don't want it. I peep, these niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Get the what, put it up for my seeds. No cure for the IG disease. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout.
Whole lot of people need to hear this. It's a lot of names on my hit list. Mom still say what he wants to. Pussy still wet like a big bitch. I should run a whole blog at this.
For lips, I'll be using my LA Colors High Shine Shea Butter Lip Gloss, and this is in Doll Face, I think. I'm gonna line my lips before I apply that. And this is Nice Face in number 6. Okay guys, so this is the lashes that I used. I bought these on AliExpress. I'll leave the link in the description box. And this is the finished look. Please don't forget to press like, share, comment and subscribe if you want to see more videos, more easy eyeshadow tutorials. Let me know what you want to see down in the comments and I'll surely do that. Thank you for watching and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Ciao.
Turn around and just tease me, baby. You got what I want.